Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Bajra Roti recipe. Bajra or pearl millet is gluten free and is a highly nutritious millet. This Bajra Roti is made with 100% Bajra, that is no whole wheat flour is added, ideal for those with gluten intolerance. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make Bajra Roti, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of Bajra flour, also known as pearl millet. Pearl millet or Bajra is a highly nutritious millet and it is gluten free. Recent studies have shown that Bajra has anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties. It is one of the best plant-based source of protein. Bajra also helps to balance blood sugar levels. And to this I am adding in some spices. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using bygone turmeric, which has high curcumin content. Also note that when you are using turmeric, you need to add in at least a fat pinch of black pepper powder for better assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin. Half teaspoon ajwain. When you add ajwain, add it into your palm and crush it like this and then add so that the flavors are released. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. And give this all a mix. I am using 200 grams of boiled sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are in season right now, hence I am using sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the best sources of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes contain a significant amount of vitamins, most of which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potatoes contain fiber and antioxidants that promote the growth of good gut bacteria and contribute to a healthy gut. So do try to include sweet potatoes when they are in season. I'm peeling off the skin. Add the sweet potatoes into the Bajra flour, and with my hand I'm mashing the sweet potatoes into the flour. I have roughly incorporated the sweet potatoes into the Bajra flour. Into this I'm grating in some ginger. Ginger, cumin seeds, cumin powder and ajwain helps with digestion. So try not to skip them. Into this I am finely slicing in 1 green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. Next I am finely chopping in half of an onion. And lastly I am finely chopping in a handful of coriander leaves. And now I'm going to mix all this and knead it into a soft dough. If needed, I'll be adding a couple of tablespoons of water. It all depends upon the moisture of the sweet potatoes. I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons water or a handful of water and knead it into a soft dough. Adding in another tablespoon of water. I have kneaded it into a soft dough. Into this I am adding in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil, or you can use desi ghee instead. And I am coating the dough with the wood pressed oil. This is to prevent the dough from drying out. Cover and let it rest for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, knead the dough again a couple of times and divide the dough into equal portions. I am taking a slightly larger dough similar to a paratha dough. Before rolling out the roti, knead it a couple of times on the countertop. Sprinkle some Bajra flour and coat the dough with the Bajra flour. Lightly tap it down Lightly press it down and shape the sides. The bajra flour beneath the dough will help to rotate easily. So make sure there is enough bajra flour below the dough. And lastly, with a balun or a rolling pin, lightly roll it out into a round circle. Level the sides. Dust off excess flour and place it on the hot tawa. Place the roti onto the hot tawa. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Drizzle 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil in the sides and as well as in the middle. After about 30 to 40 seconds, carefully flip it over. Half to 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. This paratha is nutrient dense, it's filling, it's protein rich and full of fiber. It's an excellent meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Transfer the bajra roti to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the dough. You can enjoy this bajra roti with vegan curd. You can enjoy this bajra roti with any side dish of your choice or pickle or even vegan curd. I have already shared many vegan curd recipes. Please do check them out. So guys, do try this healthy bajra roti and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.